Hi, Jeremy. How are you?
Not bad, productive.
So I am our customer relations manager over here at Greenhouse Systems. And we just wanted to essentially ask you a few questions about your solar experience.
Sounds good.
Yeah, how would you say your initial setup process was?
Very easy. They're very professional and courteous, and they got it done very quickly. So
Perfect, perfect. What was one of your favorite things for going solar? Favorite reasons?
I think most people will agree with me when I say the lower utility bills. Because a lot of people out here that obviously don't have solar panels, the utility includes electric, water, sewage, trash. Some people $300-400, but my last utility bill with all that was $78.
Wow, now that's a big improvement. That's a big difference. Would you say that you would refer any friends or neighbors around you to go solar?
I would definitely. It definitely saves money.
Perfect. Okay, so that's your most favorite thing is the saving money part.
Oh, yes.
And what else would you say to any newcomers going solar besides the lower cost?
Besides the lower cost, that's the biggest thing was because basically you guys take care of everything. You look at the location, where they're going to place them, the best strategic location to place them. You guys explain everything to a T, how it works. Basically, it can be any newcomer would have all their questions answered, and yeah, you could be dumb and you would still understand the solar panels and how they work and all that, because you guys are very excellent describing how everything works, the pricing, you laid it out, how much it's going to be, et cetera, et cetera.
Perfect.
So, very easy.
Perfect. So if you moved for some reason, you would get solar again, possibly.
Yeah, definitely with solar panels if I moved, though, for sure.
Yeah. Okay. And if you have any questions or you need help along your process, it could be a year, 2 years from now. We're always here to help you. So feel free to reach out. Okay, I think you pretty much answered everything that I needed over here. And I think that any newcomer would find this extremely helpful.
Definitely.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you. I really appreciate your time.
You're quite welcome.
Thank you. And good luck on your test.
Thank you.
All right. Talk soon, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.